Hey everybody, thanks for clicking on my thumbnail. We're going to take a quick look at a Colt Python 6-inch blued versus a Smith & Wesson 586, which is a 686 but blued. They're a little bit more rare, so let's look at that first. This gun was produced around 78 or 79, if my memory serves correct. It is a 586-1. The letter prefix to the serial number is BAD, which is just kind of neat. I think I looked it up and it was like 78, 79. Really nice shape. Okay, let's get a close-up of that. Any imperfections you're going to see is purely just oils or something from when it was in storage. I literally just pulled them right out of the safe right now, safety checked them, and throw them on camera before I go to the range with them both. So this thing has an immaculately smooth double action, or single action. You gotta come at me, I deserve it, point it out. But the double action is heavy but smooth. Single action is just really, really good. This is a 1969 Python. Okay, the bluing on this is absolutely immaculate. Again, any imperfections you see is oil from storage. This too was literally just taken right out of my storage box in my safe and brought up here. We go to the range, we're really going to compare them both, and we're going to take it from there. Of course, the legendary Colt double action brings it to there, and it stacks very heavily, but it breaks nice. And single action, of course, is a dream come true. So the obvious question is the Python worth roughly $2,000 more than the 586? And in my opinion, absolutely not. Either I have a great example of a 586 and a poor example of a Python. I know this is a good example. 1969, pretty much the last year that they're heralded for. I had a chance to get one that was made in 58. God, I wish I got that, but I just couldn't bring myself to go on Gunbroker and buy something from a guy with absolutely 0 ratings. Just to throw it out there. This nickel Model 19 is a dream as well. This probably has the best trigger of them all. Seems like it just breaks faster than the 586 does. And that single action is non-existent. So I'm going to go to the range and really put these 357s to the test. Alright, thanks for watching.